Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming exactly what kind of auto CAD license you have and gathering proof, product version, serial number, and account credentials. Once done, back up your auto CAD settings and any registry keys or preference files so you can restore them later. Make sure you have administrative rights on the machine and access to your Autodesk account or your organization's license server information. These steps avoid guesswork and let you proceed with supported options rather than risky workarounds. Next, pursue legitimate methods to stop unwanted checks. If you need offline use, request an offline activation from Autodesk or your admin. If you're on a network license, verify the network license manager is reachable and properly configured. Once done, run the built-in repair or reinstall with the latest Autodesk installer to fix corrupted license components. Make sure the firewall and proxy settings allow Autodesk telemetry and license traffic instead of blocking it. Finish by restarting any license-related services and launching Auto CAD while watching the licensing logs for errors. This confirms whether your legitimate changes resolve the issue. If problems persist, contact Autodesk support or your reseller with log files, account info, and steps you took so they can issue a proper fix or reissue activation. Make sure to preserve your backups so you can revert any configuration changes. Troubleshooting tip: collect exact error messages and timestamps before contacting support to speed resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.